This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, rear sunshades, audio anti-theft protection, fog lamps, privacy glass, stability control, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.